Hey everyone, welcome to today's video where we're going to tackle a common problem that many C and C++ programmers encounter. The problem we're diving into today is related to handling floating point exceptions when performing mathematical operations in our code. Sometimes we want division by zero to result in specific float values like plus infinity or infinity, where our functions like sqrt, 1, or log 0 return a nan float value according to the IE754 spec. However, the default behavior often leads to floating point exceptions, which can be quite a headache to deal with, especially in large-scale operations where catching exceptions individually is not feasible. Now, let's delve into the solution for this issue. The key to avoiding floating point exceptions lies in using floating point types where the problematic operations occur. For example, when attempting a division by 0 like in the expression 10, we see an exception because it's being done with integers. To get the desired result of generating an INF value when dividing by 0, ensure that the calculation is performed using floating point types. By making this adjustment in your code, you can successfully handle these scenarios without triggering exceptions and achieve the intended float values like nan or infinity. In summary, by being mindful of the data types being used in your mathematical operations, you can effectively prevent floating point exceptions and control the output values, such as nan and infinity. It's all about ensuring that operations causing exceptions are done with floating point types to align with the IE754 specifications. I hope you found this information helpful in addressing the floating point exception issue. Remember to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding, and may your algorithms always run smoothly.